think the SDGs offer a great common language. It offers also structure for discussion. So classification of terminology is very welcome in this respect. But furthermore, from an investment perspective, you could say the SDGs are the strategy of the world. So they offer a guide towards what sort of capital allocation will take place globally. And of course, we want to put capital in the place where the best returns can be made. And normally that's in the case where the new innovations take place and where incumbents remain out of fashion and do not get along with the new trends. These companies will be punished. And we see likewise development in stock performance. So investors should especially be focusing on this. We don't focus on one theme. I think what's important within this framework that you as an investor should stick to the qualities and the skills that are best within your framework and your approach as an investor. So what we did in SDG investing or impact investing is take three major themes that we invest along those lines. And those are diminishing stress on natural resources. The second one is health and well-being of people. And the third one is fulfillment of life or prosperity in a broad sense. I think listed equity especially offers scalability for investors. If you look at traditional impact investing, that's normally focused on small local projects, which are normally from an impact perspective highly successful, but very much out of reach in the size of assets to be invested. And with listed equity, that is offering that scalability. And that's from two perspectives. First of all, the demand, so it can comply with the demand which is currently evolving in the market. Secondly, you're dealing there with professional corporates that are used to implementing huge projects. So from a supply perspective, there's also a very good impact possible. Really go in our discussion with the corporations on topics that should comply with what we call our MIT approach. So the M stands for materiality. We want to talk about topics that are really material to impact globally, but also to the business process of the corporate itself. It should be directly linked to their normal business process, of course. Otherwise, they're not interested. The I stands for intentionality. So the ultimate purpose of the product they make or the service they provide should also directly be linked to the impact solution that you look for in society. And the T stands for transformative, because corporations that come up with something new that's not yet in the market have the biggest opportunity to make it a success instead of having a major competition which will make that the company ultimately will probably not survive. So it's materiality, intentionality and transformation that we look at.